美国的新墨西哥州拜五是有一场私人的汽车展览，大批民众伫咧公园其中数2个团体，哪像是去冤家，大声是一个人雄雄提枪出来扫射，落尾煞变做是枪战，嘛造成上无3人死亡，10个人受伤。
庆典现场救着封锁线，佮有10多台警车、救护车停伫边仔的街路。美国新墨西哥州的沙巴城市拉斯克鲁塞斯，当地日暗时有民众私底下伫一个公园办车展，吸差不多200人参加，当中刷机数爆发冲突，最后其中一个人摕出枪向警官开枪了后，正做枪战。
There was an unsanctioned car show at the park prior to the shooting. The call for the gunshot victims came in at approximately 10:10 p.m. again on 3/21/2025. The investigation so far reveals that there was an altercation between 2 groups of people, and that altercation escalated to gunfire between both groups.
这场枪战造成真侪人死伤，受害者的年岁伫16岁到36岁之间，其中2名死者年岁就16岁到19岁。而相反，经过送病院治疗，已经有11个人伫当地离出院。新墨西哥的州长甲警察局长嘛下令封锁公园，采集证据，暂时已经收集到至少60个枪支卡。
This is a huge crime scene with a lot of moving parts. It will take time to process it thoroughly and reopen everything. This horrendous, senseless act is a stark reminder of the blatant disregard people in New Mexico have for the rule of law and order.
新墨西哥的州长要求彻底调查这个案件，而且呼吁民众替牺牲者哀悼，替伤患祈祷。伫新墨西哥州的陈其院，伫枪击案发生了后，嘛伫深夜举行默哀仪式。因为开枪的检官也被抓到，警方嘛请求民众提供线索，毋望重早抓到人。我是新闻台视同朋友。